Good morning, students. The last class, I think we completed the first lesson, so we can discuss about some of the question answers. So, in the first question, we can see the first question. You know, this is the carbon. So, 4 carbon is there and oxygen. So, this is the carbon atom, not only together, one is separated. So, 4 carbon atom is there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom is there. Then coming this oxygen, 2 oxygen. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 molecule of oxygen. 4 molecules of oxygen. 4 oxygen molecule is there. Then see there, CO2. So 4 carbon dioxide is there. 4 carbon dioxide is there. So see once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom react with oxygen molecule. 4 oxygen molecules. It gives 4 carbon dioxide. 4 carbon dioxide. Once again, 4 carbon react with 4 oxygen molecule. 4 oxygen molecule. It gives 4 carbon dioxide. 1 carbon dioxide, 2 carbon dioxide, another one more 3, another one more 4. So totally 4 carbon dioxide is there. Shortly, 1 carbon reacts with 1 oxygen molecule. Molecule means you know O2, not only O. O is atom. O2 only is a molecule. So 1 carbon reacts with oxygen, it gives CO2. Carbon dioxide. But here your question 4 carbon is there, 8 oxygen is there, 4 carbon dioxide compound is there. So your first question, what is the ratio of carbon and oxygen in the compound? This is the compound. In this compound, what is the ratio? Of carbon and oxygen? So ratio, how many carbon and how many oxygen present in this compound? See, let's see. So first we can see in the CO2. This is the compound. Yes, CO2 is a compound. So see, what is the ratio of carbon in this compound? What is the ratio in this compound, CO2 compound? Only one compound. So ratio. Then, how many oxygen is there in this compound? See, 2 oxygen. So 2 oxygen. So your question is, what is the ratio of carbon and oxygen? In the compound? So, in this compound, how many carbon and how many oxygen is there? So, how many carbon? 1 carbon. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. So, answer is 1 is 2. So, the ratio 1 is 2. This is the answer for this question. So, what is the ratio of carbon and oxygen in the compound? So, we got the answer 1 is 2. So, the next question, which of these are compound? Okay, which of these are compound? In this here down, carbon is there, oxygen is there, carbon dioxide is there. So here, which one is the compound? So already we know. Here coming the first one, this is the atom, this is the molecule, this one is the carbon dioxide, this is the compound. So here This carbon is there, atom, oxygen is there, molecule, carbon dioxide is there. This is the compound. So which one is the compound? CO2, the answer. Answer CO2. So here in this C and oxygen and carbon dioxide, which one is the compound? Carbon dioxide is the compound. Carbon dioxide is the compound. I need to explain. So first you see atom. Let's see. I will explain again what is an atom. We can see example of this atom, molecules, then compound. So we can see example for these three. So example of atom. First you see atom. What is an atom? So it's made up of particle. It's made up of particle. Yes. So its example we can say hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Okay, this is the atom. So this is hydrogen atom, oxygen atom, carbon atom. Then see molecule. Molecule. When will you say this is the molecule? So two or more atoms. So this is one atom. So like this, one atom, two atom. So two or more atoms togetherly join and make a molecule. So this is the molecule. Molecule example we can say H2O2 because two atom is present here, two atom is present here. So this is the molecule. Then compound. What is an compound? What is compound? What is compound? Two or more. Yes, two or more elements combine chemically. Two or more elements combine chemically. So, for example, we can say H2O. H2O. So, see here, two hydrogen and one oxygen. This is the chemical ratio. Okay, a compound is substance that is formed when two or more elements combine chemically in the fixed ratio. Fixed ratio. Okay, fixed ratio of proportion. So that is the fixed. So two molecule and only one molecule of atom of hydrogen. This is the water molecule. Okay. For example, here O2 means it's not a water molecule. That is a hydrogen peroxide, another formula. So H2, only the H2O only is the formula for the water. So this is the compound. So I need to explain what is constituent. I think yes, constituent. What is the constituent? Okay. So let's see this constituent. What is constituent? Find the constituent of carbon dioxide. Sum of the compound. I written sum of the compound. For example, what other example? Calcium carbonate. Okay. So these are the compound. You have to find the constituent. So what is the constituent? Constituent of element. What are the element? Ratio, number of the element present in this compound, that is the constituent. How many elements present in this compound? That number. The number is called the constituent. For example, here one carbon and two oxygen. One carbon and two oxygen. This is the constituent of carbon dioxide. Here two hydrogen, one oxygen. This is the constituent of H2O. Here one Na, one Cl. This is the constituent of sodium chloride, NaCl. Then here one 1 calcium, 1 calcium and 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. Okay, so this is the constituent of calcium carbonate. So you know now what is constituent? Number of elements present in the compound, that is the constituent. Number of elements present in this compound. What are the elements present here first? Carbon and oxygen. How many? 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. Here 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. In sodium chloride only one sodium and 1 chloride. Here 1 carbon and 1 calcium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen. So this is the constituent of element. Next we can see we have 2 more questions. Next we can see that 2 questions. See our next question. Next question number 3. What is formed on combining 2 atoms of oxygen? What is formed on combining 2 atoms of oxygen? 2 atoms of oxygen. What is this? Molecule. So, what is formed on combining 2 atoms of oxygen? That is answer is molecule. So this is a oxygen molecule. First answer is oxygen molecule. The next answer. Also, name an element which can exit as a single atom. In this compound, which one is exiting single atom? Carbon, single atom. That is the carbon. So, what is formed on combining 2 atoms of oxygen? That is the oxygen molecule. And also name an element. Name an element which can exit as a single atom. Which one here in this reaction? Which one is exit as a single atom? Here also we can see. Single atom, only 1 carbon. So this carbon is the answer. So what is the formed on combining 2 atoms of oxygen? That is the answer is oxygen molecule. Also name an element which can exit as a single atom. That we can say that is the carbon. Okay. So we can see in the next question. See, your next 4th question is, if 4 carbon atoms are added to the left hand side of this figure, in the first figure, where we need to add left hand side, this left hand side we need to add. What we need to add? 4 more carbon atoms are added to the left hand side of this figure. So, page 1 mistake. Okay. So, same figure, the product will be carbon monoxide. You know already what is the formula of carbon monoxide? CO. CO is the carbon monoxide. Already I said CO2 is the carbon dioxide. CO is the carbon monoxide. Why? The CO2 means this is the di. Carbon dioxide. Carbon. What means that is the carbon monoxide. That is the carbon monoxide. And carbon dioxide, the number. Okay, you know, one is the mono, two is the di, then tri. Okay, that is CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. So CO is the carbon monoxide. Now our question is, if 4 more carbon atoms are added to the left hand side, in the left hand side means we are adding here. Okay, we can add here 4 more carbon. 4 more carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now one carbon reacts with another one oxygen. This here, so here, this carbon here and this carbon here. So all the carbon atoms join with another one more oxygen atom. All the carbon atoms join with another one oxygen atom. Now 8 carbon is there, 8 atom of oxygen is there. So the reaction is we will get 8 times CO. We will get 8 times CO. So the CO is the carbon monoxide. CO is a carbon monoxide. So the answer is now in this carbon monoxide, our question, what will be the ratio of carbon and oxygen in the carbon monoxide? So you know the ratio. How many carbon is there? 1. How many oxygen is there? 1. So this is the answer. When we are adding 4 more carbon in the left side in this figure, all the carbon it will take one oxygen. All the carbon it will take one oxygen, so it will give carbon monoxide. This carbon monoxide, how ratio of the carbon monoxide, how many carbon is there, how many oxygen is there? 1 carbon and 1 oxygen. So 1 carbon and 1 oxygen. This is the carbon monoxide ratio. Carbon monoxide ratio. I hope you all understand what I taught today. So we can see in the next class question answers. 4 more question answers we can discuss. Okay. Thank you.